Hello. Welcome to Co-CC House. I am Connie. Today we meet new friends.
Listen and repeat. I like reading.
I like coffee.
I like reading. I like coffee.
Delicious.
Hello. I am Kate. I like planes. I study planes. I want to fly a plane.
I study planes. I like planes.
Yeah.
Hello.
I like movies. I study movies. I want to be a director. I study movies. I like movies. I want to be a director.
Action.
Hello, I am Jung Kai.
I like singing.
I like games. I like horror games.
I like singing.
I like horror games.
Hello, I am Danny.
I like traveling.
I like trips. I plan trips. I like trips.
Yeah, I like traveling.
And you?
Yeah.
Hello, I am Nick. I like math.
I study math.
I do not like traveling.
I do not like traveling.
I like studying math.
I like math too.
I study data science. I like data science.
I like reading. I study nap. I love coffee. I love Alina and Carlos. I like reading.
I, pronombre. Like, verbo.
Readying, verbo gerundio.
Readying es un verbo gerundio que funciona como sustantivo en esta oración, porque va detrás del verbo like. Después de verbos como like, love, enjoy y hate, muchas veces usamos otro verbo con ing.
For example, I hate waking up early. Odio levantarme temprano.
I study nap.
I, pronombre, study, verbo, math, sustantivo.
I love coffee.
I, pronoun, love, verb, coffee, noun.
I love Alina and Carlos.
I, pronoun, love, verb, Elena and Carlos, noun.
Do you like coffee?
Do you like movies?
Do you like traveling?
I like traveling. I do not like traveling.
Let's travel. No, thank you.
I like coffee.
I like coffee too.
I like planes. I like movies.
I like planes.
Do you like planes?
I do not like planes.
Do puede tener dos usos diferentes.
Como verbo principal, significa hacer.
Como verbo auxiliar, ayuda a formar preguntas y negaciones. En presente simple, cuando hablamos de nosotros, I, you, we, they, usamos do como auxiliar para hacer preguntas y negaciones.
Do you like waking up early? ¿Te gusta levantarte temprano?
Do you like tea?
No, I do not like tea.
En inglés, a veces unimos palabras para hablar más rápido. Do not se puede unir y formar don't. Example, I don't like tea. Choose the correct sentence. We like coffee. We do like coffee. We like coffee. Do we like music? We do like music. Yes. Do we like music? We not like homework. We do not like homework. We do not like homework.
We like watch TV. We like watching TV. We like watching TV.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Connie.
I like music.
Oh, I like music too.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
I do not like movies.
Oh no.
Yeah, I don't.
And you? Do you like music?
Do you like movies?
And what
What
does he like?
Did you notice the word does?
Cuando hablamos de la tercera persona del singular él, ella o eso, usamos does.
For example, do they play soccer? Does he play soccer? Recuerda, en present simple, do y dos son verbos auxiliares. Los usamos para oraciones negativas e interrogativas.
Does he like music?
Yes, he likes music. En oraciones afirmativas, no usamos does. La S va en el verbo principal. Transforma en preguntas estas oraciones afirmativas. She likes cats. Does she like cats? He plays soccer.
Does he play soccer?
It eats fish. Does it eat fish?
Great job. Now, find the mistake.
Does he likes music? Does he like music?
She like pizza. She likes pizza.
Does she plays tennis? Does she play tennis?
Good job.
Bye. Subscribe to learn more English with us.
Like this video.